Hello, my friends. How are you today? I hope you had a great time. And now let us travel through English lesson. We have today the 9th lesson of this unit, and the topic of this lesson is Natural Wonders, the Art of God. Speaking about wonders, what do you understand by this word? You know that we all can be considered wonders, but let us see, what does it mean? Wonder, if you use it as a noun, it means 1. A feeling of amazement and admiration caused by something beautiful, remarkable, or unfamiliar. And the second, a person or thing regarded as very good, remarkable, or effective. So, we can be considered wonders. If you use wonder as a verb, you use it with this explanation. The desire to know something, feel curious. For example, you say, I'm wondering, what are my parents going to give me on my birthday? Or feel of doubt. I'm wondering, is it going to rain today? We don't know. So in this way, you can use the word wonder. And if we speak about wonders, we will speak about natural wonders. And the first wonder that we are going to discuss is the Orkney Islands. So I'm going to read a very short paragraph about these islands, and I want you to take some notes. If you are ready, you prepared everything, let us start. So, the Orkney Islands. The Orkney Islands lie at the frontier of the North Sea and the Atlantic Ocean and are one of Scotland's most scenic holiday destinations. They represent an archipelago of over 70 small islands and isles. Orkney's history stretches back over 4,500 years, and the island's famous Neolithic settlements make up the heart of Neolithic Orkney UNESCO World Heritage Site, a fascinating collection of Neolithic monuments, stone circles, and tombs. So, Orkney Islands are situated in Scotland and are picturesque sites that you could visit if you go and visit Scotland. The next wonder are the pinnacles. Pinnacles. The lunar-like pinnacles form one of Australia's most unique and fascinating natural landscapes. Formed over millions of years, thousands of tall limestone spires rise yearly out of the yellow desert sands of Namboog National Park. It is thought that the raw materials for the limestone of the pinnacles came from seashells in an earlier era that was rich in marine life. Pinnacles is another place that you could visit if you are in Australia. Another natural wonder, which is in America, is Grand Canyon. So Grand Canyon is one of the oldest national parks in the nation. The Grand Canyon National Park is one of the major natural wonders of the world. The Grand Canyon is a steep-sided canyon carved by the Colorado River in the state of Arizona in the United States. President Theodore Roosevelt was a major proponent of preservation of the Grand Canyon area and visited on numerous occasions to hunt and enjoy the scenery. So Grand Canyon is one of the spectacular wonders of this world. And every text from our book has some presents for us, if we can say so. So these are some exercises that we have to work with: synonyms, antonyms, words, different kind of true, false exercises, and so on. So in order to fulfill the following task, I want you to open your books, page 121, and find the text about the Orkney Islands, Pinnacles, and Grand Canyon. Read them once again, pause this video, read them, and find what is the real meaning of the word bottom in the text. So, bottom means the first meaning, the lowest part of something, and the second, the deepest part of the sea or of a pool, lake, or river. So read please the text, take few minutes, read them, and afterwards we'll check. Okay, so I see that you have read the text. Now let us find the sentence that contains the bottom word. So I found it together with you. So let us read. The rocks of the canyon walls range from 250 million years old at the top to over 2 billion years old at the bottom. So according to the passage of the text, bottom has the first meaning or the second one. Yes, you're right. This is the first one, the lowest part of something. Another word that has more meaning than one is trail. Trail, the first meaning is a path through the countryside, especially one designed for walking for pleasure. And B, a series of marks or objects left by someone or something that shows they have been there. I found for you the sentence, and I'm going to read it. The islands offer the perfect setting for an active holiday with some of Scotland's best hiking and cycling trails, a number of golf courses, and an ample trout fishing spots in the lochs. So, once again, trail is A or B, the meaning of this word. From the sentence is A, is a path through the countryside, especially one designed for walking for pleasure. But also you can take your bike and you can enjoy biking there. Okay, pinnacle, another word that has more than one meaning. The first meaning, usually singular, the most successful or exciting part of someone's life. B, the top of a very high mountain, and C, a tall, thin, pointed piece of stone or rock. From the text, the following sentence says, the limestone formations of the pinnacles vary in size and shape. Some are as small as a mouse, while many are as big as 3.5 meters high. So, from this context, what is pinnacle? A, B, or C? Okay, so this is C, a tall, thin, pointed piece of stone or rock. Good, you did a great job. Now, another task for you is to match the highlighted words with their synonyms. So, I highlighted words from the texts, and now your task is to match them in pairs of synonyms. So I give you 1 minute, pause this video and match these synonyms together. Okay, I see you are ready. Let us check. So tick if you did correctly. So for the word interesting, the synonym is fascinating. For the word beautiful or picturesque is scenic. For the word boundary, the synonym from the text is frontier. For the word inhabitant, the synonym is resident. And of course, for the last one, for sufficient, the word that is synonym is perfect. For the following slide, we have to do the same. So we have to match the highlighted words with the synonyms in green font. So take 1-2 minutes, match them, and when you are ready, we are going to check together. As far as I understand, you are ready, so let us check. While you are checking, just tick the correct answers. So the synonym for hill is dune. The synonym for beginning of day is dawn. Tower is spire, and early evening is dusk. If you did it correctly, bravo. The next task is the same, but we work with another text. Find the synonyms for the highlighted words: major, proponent, and views. Take few seconds, because this is a very simple and easy exercise, and do it. Are you ready? Okay, let us check. Just tick. Scene background is view, important major, and supporter proponent. We reached the end of our lesson, and the reflection task for you is: can you complete the graphic organizer with these words? Collection, desert, island, lock, limestone, wildlife, tributary, reptile, canyon, view, monument, landscape, and seashell. So, the graphic organizer, you have to do the following. You have to write the word in the middle, write the definition of this word, write a sentence, find what part of speech it is, find a synonym and an antonym, and of course add a picture for you to remember better these words. Thank you very much for your attention. It was a nice lesson and I enjoyed every moment of it. So don't forget, stay home and learn English. Bye, see you next time.